morning. It's day 2 in Goa and it's around 10 o'clock right now. We are ready to go and explore Goa today. First point would be our breakfast joint. We'll take you there. I'm not revealing the name right now, but once we reach there, we'll definitely show you. By the way, it's raining here since 8 in the morning. Not much, but yeah, a little bit. It's drizzling right now. Weather forecast is like this only for the entire day. It seems like that, but we'll see. We'll find out. Right now we are in Benolim, so we most likely will go to North Goa as well today, and we'll show you around. For now, let's get into our car. It's right there. Wives have got ready. Me and Shamadeep are here. We just got the car from the parking to here. That is where our rooms are. So yeah, pretty much excited. कल का दिन बहुत eventful था. We were very tired actually, and because obviously we did a 12 hours long ride. जिसमें से ride time was around just less than 10 hours. So yeah, it was pretty tiring because बीच में 3 घंटे हमको बारिश भी मिली बहुत ज़्यादा. अगर आपने वो vlog नहीं देखा है तो then please go check out that vlog. Ride from Bangalore to Goa. Me and my wife were on my bike, and Shamadeep and Oishi have got the car. So it was a fantastic ride and longest of our lives together till date on a two-wheeler. गाड़ी में तो हम इससे ज़्यादा travel कर चुके हैं, but yeah, two-wheeler पे ये सबसे लंबा ट्रिप था. So do check out that vlog as well, guys. तो चलो बातें बहुत हो गई. भी फटाफट गाड़ी में बैठते हैं और चलते हैं.
Good morning.
So all of us are ready. आप देख सकते हो. Pretty faces and handsome hunks. चलो, let's go. So we came to this place, Beno. There's a famous joint here, but unfortunately it's closed today. They are saying that today being Independence Day, they have special menu, and because of that they'll start late. They'll start at 12 in the noon. So morning में यहाँ पे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. So now we have to decide on another place to have our breakfast. This was not expected, unexpected turn of events, but that's fine. Nevertheless, this is a great place. If you come down here, do try it out. Let's see where we can go now. चलो आगे बढ़ो. This looks very simple. Normal सा ऐसा बना हुआ है, टेंट टाइप, बट जाके देखते हैं. So this is the place. Nice vibe out here. So music, rains outside. Lovely. And we're gonna have some good breakfast now. We are here inside, but unfortunately there's 1.5 hours waiting here. It's full. And let me tell you, don't go by the outside looks of it. Don't be fooled by the outside looks of it, because this place is full of people and the inside ambience is absolutely different from what you might perceive if you look at it from outside. And the food here is apparently amazing, which is why we came here. Even this place was recommended to me by one of my colleagues, but unfortunately it's 1.5 hours is too long to wait. So we are thinking of packing something. Maybe we'll take something away from here and we'll have it on our car, or maybe we'll just have it standing here, maybe a coffee or something, and then we'll start towards our next destination. So we have 2 cold coffees. I'm not sure exactly what. One is Vietnamese, I think. The other one I don't know, because the ladies have ordered it. But we are here, standing here and having it because we're waiting for the table. The lady who is already here, this is
Hazelnut ice coffee.
hazelnut iced coffee, and this is
Vietnamese ice coffee.
Vietnamese iced coffee. Thank you.
Condensed milk or something. Yeah.
Superb.
রেটটা খেয়ে দেখো তাহলে ওটা তুমি চেঞ্জ করতে পারবে
Fine, thank you.
ঠিক আছে
How is this?
It's nice.
ভেরি গুড
You people can try it.
You have to give it a stir before having it because otherwise you won't feel the sugar taste.
মিষ্টি করবে না এটা করালো
Cheers. It's your turn now.
And we have finally got the table. This is egg Benedict ham.
अरे ये तो
আমার
छोड़
যাকে এটা
By the way, this is what happens when there are two vloggers on the table. Both of us busy taking videos.
social media feed.
Turkish eggs
আমরা সব জানি
are here.
মনে হচ্ছে
They're gonna try the Turkish eggs first.
এটা বেশি
How is it? The next menu is on the table. This is what?
প্যানকেক
Choco chunk pancake. Nice. Let me also try this.
হ্যাঁ না দেখ ওটা ফেটে দিল
মানে ঘাটিনি মাঝখানে ফেটে গেছে বলকানো দিতাম
Huh. How is it?
টু গুড ম্যান টু গুড চলে এসেছি
তো আমি কেন খাই
না খাচ্ছি
কেমন
Superb. So it's 15 minutes to 12 now, and we are done with this place. So we had brunch instead of breakfast, I guess. Now we'll head towards our next destination, which is Fontana's colorful houses. It's a beautiful place. So let's head there and stay tuned. So we have reached this area and we have parked our car. Now we are near this church, big church here. I hope you can see. It's called the Mary Immaculate Church. It's a huge, huge church, as you can see, which also attracts a lot of tourists. We have almost reached the place, Fontana's colorful houses. Awesome weather, nice roads, and thanks to Shaumadeep, he gave me his car to drive. So, full enjoyment. So, we have reached this place and we have parked our car there. And here you can see these kind of houses with unique color combinations. I'm not sure how good it is looking on the camera, but I assure you that this is a lovely place and you can take amazing pictures here. If you don't agree with me, then just stay tuned. I'll show you some pictures that we took which came out amazing, and all thanks to Shwamidi because he's an amazing photographer. Done with our photo session. Now we are heading back into our car and then we head to our next destination, which we don't know what it is, but let's see. Let's just sit in the car and keep going. We are at this beautiful place, which is a shooting spot here. As you can see, there are so many people just coming here and taking beautiful pictures. Beautiful narrow road with coconut trees on both sides. Makes for a perfect shooting spot. Now we have come to Calangute beach. We have parked our car there. There is a parking and we are walking towards the beach now. You can see there are a lot of shops around here on both sides of the street if you want to do street shopping. And we are hungry as well. So we are heading to the beach and we'll have some food. And we have reached the beach. This is Calangute beach, and that's where we are going to have our lunch today, in that shack. हम लोग Calangute में आके यहाँ पे बैठ चुके हैं. We are sitting in a shack with this view. अभी हम खाना एंजॉय करेंगे. भूख बहुत लगी है, थोड़ा कुछ ऑर्डर करेंगे, उसके बाद खाना वाना खाते हैं. But just look at the view, guys. और आसमान में देखो बादल छाया हुआ है. It can rain any moment. Beautiful. Okay, guys, this frame is special. The reason I've set the camera there is because I wanted to give a surprise to my wife, Meghna, because it's her birthday month. Her birthday is on 27th of August, but today, since we are here in Goa, so I thought I'll give her a surprise. So just stay tuned. You'll get to know what the surprise is. I hope she will be pleasantly surprised and she'll be happy. And I hope I make her day special. Just stay tuned. She'll be coming here. Shaumadeep has gone to bring her here with some pretext. कैलंगुड बीच का एपिसोड खत्म. अभी हम जा रहे हैं टुवर्ड साउथ. विल गो टू सम साउथ का बीच एंड देन विल हैव फन देयर. मे बी पार्टी टिल नाइट. लेट्स सी. We have come to this another place which is very near to Kolba beach. This is called Mucho, and let me tell you what is famous here, which you should definitely try. This is their menu, but this one, chicken kefir bread, looks somewhat like this, and this is a must try. So we have come here to try this out, and you also get all these things. You can check out the menu. The prices are also very reasonable. So we've ordered 2 chicken kefir breads. We'll try it out. If you like it, you might get more. So that's the plan for now. And once we have these, then we'll see where we go next. We might go to Kolba beach, spend some time. If you find a good beach shack, we'll find a place to party somewhat, and then we'll go back. This is the chicken kefir bread. Superb. This is a must try. So we liked it so much that we're going to order one more because it was actually that good. So हम एक और order करने वाले हैं. So here is it. Took one more of it. And the best part is that it's only 90 rupees, so it's dirt cheap. And we have reached our next destination for today, where we are going to have dinner. The time is around 10:30, and we have come back to this place where we had come first thing in the morning. Yes, it's Beno. This is the place जहाँ हम सुबह भी आए थे, but हम वापस चले गए थे because that time it was closed. Also because Independence Day they wanted to prepare something special, so they opened at 12 in the noon. Hence we had to go in the morning. We couldn't have food here, but now they're open, and we thought let's end our day by having our food here in this beautiful place. Lovely. So this is your special menu today. The interesting thing is that you can see items from all over the country. Naga style pork, ghee roast is from Karnataka, chicken momo from Sikkim. So they've given the names of all the states, which is amazing, right? They even have Calcutta biryani from West Bengal. So nice touch to have on an Independence Day. Full marks for that. So we came here and we found out that they have the largest gin collection in the country. So here's a lovely gentleman who will talk about it more. You want to say something?
Hi.
Your name?
My name is Harshit.
Harshit, hi.
The beverage program for this place, Benno.
Yeah.
So we have a 80 plus selection of gin.
80 plus.
80 plus selection of this.
That's
All
nice.
around the world. And we have like domestic IMFLs,
Okay.
international,
Okay.
everything, which you can sell in Goa.
Acha.
And everything. So we have a gin collection of bar. We have a gin programs.
Okay.
We can do master classes of gin. Even personally, me, I was the ex-brand ambassador for Matinee Gin.
Okay.
So again, the gin is came in the picture of this.
This is all the collection, right? Here, right
This is
here.
the all collection of gin, starting from Alpine, from Old Tiger, you know, Okinawa,
Awesome.
Brokers, everything.
Great. And how old is this place?
Sorry.
How old is this place?
So the third year going on, we will become third anniversary will be in October 10th.
Okay, and this is a special menu you have for Independence
Yes, so
Day,
today
right?
we are celebrating our Independence Day, Great Indian Table. So we are taking all the famous dishes from all over the India and
Okay.
we're serving today.
And
and
on
the
any
next
other day, the menu that you have, what is
Sorry.
the best
so
thing
we
to
are serving a
have?
breakfast. We are known for our breakfast
Okay.
and cocktails.
Yeah.
And so we are serving a breakfast till 4 o'clock.
Right. Actually, as a matter of fact, we came here for breakfast as well, and we had to go back because it was closed at the time today because of the Independence Day menu. So anyway, thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So that was it. They have the largest collection of gin in the country, and you saw it right there. Now let's head back to the table and have some good food, drinks, and enjoy the moment. See you in some time. Stay tuned. So guys, that's all for the day. We are back at the hotel and now we'll go freshen up, have a good time together, and then we'll go back to sleep. So if you like this vlog, this particular vlog, day 2 in Goa, we tried to cover quite a few places. Whichever places we went were all really nice. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. We had a great time and we went to all the places. Most of them were recommended by one of my colleagues who is based out of Goa. Hence, we were able to cover all these really nice places. Let me know if you want to know anything else. I'll try to reply to your comments. Apart from that, tomorrow we are traveling to Gokarna from Goa. So stay tuned in my channel. That will come in tomorrow's vlog. इस vlog के लिए इतना ही. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And keep watching. Keep supporting us because it gives us motivation to bring more such content for you guys. So for this vlog, this is it. This is Abhash signing off. You guys take care. Good night. See you tomorrow in the next vlog.